Hey everyone! So this is my Animal Crossing tour video. I hope you enjoy it. So first off, here's my little fairground, and oh no, not this music. Anyway, turn it off! Turn it off! Turn it off! Oh. Sorry. Right, there we go. So there's the little Ferris wheel and the carousel, and its cute little entrance there. And here's my little bedroom in my house, my Katatsu, and I think that's the cute sets I've got, and two little teddy bears there. Oh, just a quick view of the living room. And here is my little walk-in wardrobe with all my cute little outfits. So yeah, super cute. Super proud of this. Oh, I must point out the little El Picasso around the edge of the room, so really proud of that. Next up, I've got a little view of the living room, I think. Yeah, this is my crazy, like, everything just dumped in the living room, but everything cute, hopefully. Try to keep like a cute theme going on here. Here's my really odd study, so I kind of like put everything, oh, you'll see. So here's my cute little study with my dinosaurs and like a old arcade game, and there's a working cyclone as well. That train set and all sorts of things I thought would go in a study. Of course, a little map at the back because you kind of need that in a study. So yep. So that's it for now. Bye.